A tree whose seed oil is used as soap, varnish, and fuel. What a fantastic tree it is! Introducing Lumbang Aleurotis molucana of the family Euphorbiaceae. The genus Aleurotis comes from the Greek word aleuron, which means covered with flower, referring to the fine hairs on the tree's leaves that make it look like it has been dusted by flower. The species name means from the Moluccas. Lumbang is a large evergreen tree that prefers full sunlight for optimal growth and development. The wood of lumbang is used for building canoes, houses, and pulp. Its bark treats wounds, tumors, bloody diarrhea, and dysentery. The leaves are used to treat constipation and food poisoning. A decoction of leaves is used to treat cough, diarrhea, chest pain, and hernia. The fruit kernels are known to have laxative, stimulant, and sudorific properties. Pulp kernels are used as poultices for headaches, fevers, ulcers, and swollen joints. Seeds are considered mild purgatives and are usually used for stomach and bowel disorders for children, asthma, bad breath, and for rejuvenation after poisoning. The fruits of lumbang often have 2 to 3 seeds which are as hard as stone when mature. Charring nuts produces a dye that can be used for traditional Hawaiian tattoos. However, the oil extracted from the nut meat is the actual price as it is often used in soap and varnish production and can also be used as a fuel. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.